All right, y'all, real quick, we're changing the external hard drive on this MPC Live 2. Now, what you're going to need for this is your external hard drive. This is the one I have right here. It's a Western Digital, so y'all pray for me. But this is the one I ordered it. It came in the bundle when I ordered this from Sweetwater. So 1 terabyte SSD drive. I think Samsung would have been a better choice, but you know, it is what it is. I'll try this out first. All right. You're gonna need your screwdriver. These bolts on here. You got 4 right here, and you're also gonna need 4. You're gonna need 4 bolts the same size as these to go into these holes right here. I only have 2 because Akai didn't send any extra screws with the device when you order it. So I had to salvage these 2 from somewhere, and I'll put one here and I'll put one here. And that should get me by until I'm able to get 2 more screws. And they're not the same color, but hey, they're on the bottom of the unit, so no big deal. All right, so I've already unscrewed my 4 screws that hold the plate, but all you got to do is unscrew these 4 screws that hold the plate. Those screws are in there pretty good. This is some solid material right here. This is not some type of flimsy metal. So you might have to apply a little pressure down on the screw before you start turning, because you don't strip the screws. All right, so you unscrew those and then you lift the plate. All right, so I'm gonna lift the plate. All right, and then just set your plate to the side. All right, now what I'm gonna do is just take my my SSD drive out. I put this over here to cover up the serial number and all of that, but this blue piece of paper won't be on your hard drive. And this little yellow strip right here was on top of the diodes right here. So you're just gonna have to peel that yellow sticker off. And then turning it this way, here is the cable right here. All you gotta do is plug it in like such. It clicks in. And then what I am going to do is before I put the plate on, I'm just going to remove these screws. And set those right there. And I'm going to attach these 2 little screws on the plate before I go further. So let's get that one in there. And let me get that one started before I move on. So that's on there. And then this one, let me get this piece of paper out before I move further. This piece of paper that I had covering the serial number. Just take that off. All right, so now I could just put my other screw in. And again, I should be putting 4 screws in here, but Akai doesn't give you any screws for this. So I had to salvage these screws from somewhere else. I'll just order 2 more screws, or maybe I'll order 4 of the same of the black ones. All right, so you know that ain't gonna move. It's no big deal. I can get by with just those 2 screws if need be. All right, and then you just put your plate back in place. And put your screws back in, and that's it. Now you are gonna have to format this drive. I'm not gonna show you that in this video. There'll be another video showing you how to format the drive once you turn the unit back on. So again, y'all, this is a quick video showing you how to install your external hard drive into the MPC Live 2. And I think this is gonna be the same for the MPC Live also. All right, I'll let y'all next time. Peace.